Not only humans but machines also exhibit exceptional teamwork. You might mistake it for a cutting machine, but it is actually a centering machine. This machine adds rich fluffy soil to the crops. The number 6 joint is operated with utmost ease using this special plier. Don't forget to give us a This time-saving leather edge beveler machine can round 2 edges simultaneously with ease. Let's see how this laser device can restore the old metal surface. Easily and swiftly clear away standing water after rain with this boundary. Using hexagonal bricks combined with lights to create an impressive sphere. The combination of a vacuum excavator and a pump makes digging holes easier. A stainless steel barrel is fabricated using this method. This knitting tool can totally mesmerize you. The robotic arm for hacking helps to speed up the transportation process.
Instead of using trays, flow packaging machines use a flow system to transport vegetables through the stages of the packaging process. Vegetables are placed into bags or packaging automatically and efficiently, minimizing hand contact with a product and optimizing the production process. This not only saves time and costs, but also minimizes hygiene and food safety risks. Furthermore, the flow packaging process provides a flexible solution for manufacturers, allowing them to package a wide variety of vegetables without having to change components or install excessive machinery. This increases efficiency and minimizes waiting times between product batches. With trayless packaging, manufacturers can achieve greater efficiency and minimize waiting times between product batches, while ensuring the quality and freshness of the final product. Looking at the juicy red apples being packaged, you can't help but feel immediate attraction and excitement. The bright beauty and pure flavor of red apples create an attractive and appealing feeling. The packaging protects the apples from external influences and keeps them fresh. Besides, the packaging also highlights the natural beauty of the apple, creating a luxurious and professional feeling. Not only part of the enjoyment experience, but also a symbol of cleanliness and quality. Looking at the packaged red apples, I can't help but feel the freshness and appeal. And that's definitely what makes people want to enjoy it immediately. Washing vegetables will become easier and more convenient than ever when you use this device. This device not only saves time, but also effectively ensures food hygiene and safety. With advanced technology and smart design, this device helps remove dirt, bacteria, and other impurities from the surface of vegetables quickly and effectively. You just need to put the vegetables in the device. Turn on the switch and wait. All remaining work will be completed automatically and efficiently. This not only saves time and effort, but also ensures that your vegetables are washed in the best possible way, retaining their natural flavor.